And here some easy fixes for iPhone sending green messages problem. So here currently I'm in my iPhone message app and here I'm in a conversation, and now if I try to send any message, as you can see the message is sending with green bubble. So if you're also having this problem, the first solution is make sure you have enable iMessage option on your iPhone, because the blue bubble is only available for iMessage. If you see this green bubble, it's mean you've accidentally turned off your iMessage. So here, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on apps. Under apps, tap on messages and enable iMessage and tap on send and receive and select here your number or email address. Once you successfully turn on your iMessage, close your message app and relaunch the message app. Again go to the chat or conversation, and now here in this message box you see this iMessage placeholder. It's mean you have turned on the iMessage. Now if I try to send any message, as you can see the message is sending as a blue bubble. And here's another issue. If you already turn on the iMessage option but you are still not able to send blue message, it's mean you have disconnected your internet. So let's turn off my Wi-Fi and cellular as well, and now if I try to send any message, as you can see the message is sending as green bubble. So make sure to use a strong internet connection before sending a blue bubble or iMessage, just like so. And the last and final solution is we have to reset our network settings. So if you're still having the same error, then go back to your iPhone settings app and this time tap on General. Under General, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Reset. And simply reset your network settings. Once done, go ahead and resend message with blue bubble. Thanks for watching.